Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can obtain for the first then fish title during the sea fishing event in Heartopia. Okay, this is one of the titles that you need to earn if you want to achieve sea fishing master achievement in Heartopia. You need to collect all 7 titles, and one of the title is called for the first then fish. And first of all, guys, you need to join sea fishing event by bill. Go to the fishing village and start the event, or you can join the event which is hosted by your friends or the other DG members. And I'm going to start it now. And to obtain this title, the step is very simple. We just need to be the first to take 3 photos. And I'm going to take a photo, guys, but after I arrive at the fishing spot. But let's just take a photo now. Maybe it's counted, I don't know, but we need to be the first to take 3 photos. Alright, this is the fishing time, and I'm going to again take photo. I need to take 3 photo. Okay, enough. And I'm going to do fishing, guys, and I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back. Alright, the event is over now, and as you can see, guys, I got for the first then fish title from this sea fishing event in Heartopia. Okay, guys, and that's how we can obtain the for the first then fish title in Heartopia during the sea fishing event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.